Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. And this time we're gonna do the VZ chassis. So I'm gonna do the whole bunch of the video about the VZ chassis and step by step. So it's exactly same thing as like the low budget project we had it before. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so this time we're gonna start with from the tire first. So for the tire setup, because last time there's a couple friends and they are leaving the comment at the bottom and want to see how if I want to do the combo tires. So this time what I'm gonna do is if you haven't watching the how to DIY the trim tires, if you don't have a tire trimmers, there is a video, then you can take a look at it and searching the video numbers in my channel, so then you'll be able to see how I do it. But this time what I'm gonna do is I'm going to using my tire trimmers, so that can save me a little bit more time. But after that, then I will going to do combo tires and shows you how to do DIY by not using the machines. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so for this time of VZ chassis, we're gonna using the 3-spoke wheels like this set, and also the tire because I don't want to waste it. So I'm gonna using this tire and to do it on our VZ chassis, the project this time. All right, so this kind of a wheel is narrow wheels. So if you don't like the 3-spoke but you want to try narrow, there's another option for you, is like using this kind of a 5-spoke. So you can using those, but the only problem is that kind of wheels, the rear set is wider. So if you want to make it easier, just buy 2-pack and using those two for the front. But in the future I will have a video and shows you how to make the rear part and also become a narrow, but that's gonna be in the future. All right, so let's back to our project this time. So we have this 3-spoke, and of course we have the hand drill. Okay, and this is the 2mm hand drill, and then I have this wheel shaft for sure, and the tools from the 3 to 4s to drill the wheels. Okay, the driller. Okay, so we're gonna start working on the wheels. All right, so let's go for the next. Let's go. Okay, so here what we need is wheel installer, and there's shaft support, okay, and wheel pulver, and of course if you have the hard surface on the tape desk, then that's great. And if like me, I don't have it, and I'm gonna using the setting board and one hammer. All right, so let's go for the next. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, we already do the trimming. So I got the trim tires already, and then here I have super hard, I have low friction, and also I have the low rebound sponge tire. So you can using all of those and to do the combo tire. Alright, but here what I'm going to use is the low rebound sponge tire. Of course, first is lighter, and second it's because it's low rebound, so I hopefully can help my car when my car's landing, so get my car much more stable. And third is the low rebound because it's a sponge tire, so that's way easier if you are going to do the combo tire. So that's gonna make the job easier. All right, so let's go for the next. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm using the sponge tire to do the combo tire this time. And also there's a couple things I want to talk about is when you are doing the combo tires and when you're using the hobby knife, the blade, and try to cut the tires, please be careful of that because you will easily get hurt. So please be careful about using the knife, okay? And also, if you are thinking to using the low frictions or the super hard to make the combo tires, you just need to spend a little bit more time to do it, because of course if you have the tire trimmer, that will be way easier for you because you only need to cut it in half and put it on and glue it together, then go through the trimmer machine, then that's easy. But if you're thinking to do it like manually by hand, like DIY, you have to be a patient for that, and it's gonna take a little bit longer to do the combo tires, okay? If you want to see how to using the super hard or the low friction to do the the combo tire, you can leave your comment at the bottom, and I will see if there's really lots of people are asking want me to do that. Then I will definitely make another video and to show people how to make the combo tire with those two. Alright, so for the next video, what we're gonna do is for the VZ chassis, the support part, and also we'll do the gear, the transmission reinforced, the floating gear for the transmissions. So this is today's video, and if you like this video and you think this video helped you a little bit, and please hit the like button below and just give me a like, and that will help me a lot. Alright, and you want to see more video like this, please subscribe and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.